In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a catchy slogan using Grok AI. If you've ever struggled to find the perfect line that captures your brand or topic, this walkthrough will make it simple and fast. First, open Grok AI. You can either visit the official Grok AI website in your browser or launch the Grok AI app on your device. Give it a moment to load, and make sure you're connected to the internet for the best experience. Next, open the chat interface. This is where all the interaction happens. You'll see a text input box at the bottom. That's where you'll type your prompts. Think of it like messaging a creative assistant that's ready to brainstorm with you. Now, provide your brand or topic. Type in the name of your brand, product, or the subject you want the slogan to focus on. For better results, add a bit of context like your audience, your core benefit, or the vibe you want. For example, you might mention whether you're going for playful, professional, or premium. After that, ask Grok to generate a slogan. You can write something like, create a slogan for your brand or product, or generate a catchy slogan for your topic. If you have a preference, include it. Short and punchy, inspiring or witty, the clearer your direction, the closer the results will be to what you need. Quick note, if you're using the app or visiting the site for the first time, you'll find the download link or the official website link right at the top of the description below this video. Use that to get to the correct place quickly and safely. Grok AI will generate several slogan options. Read through them and notice how each one emphasizes different angles, benefits, emotion, or uniqueness. Choose the one that best fits your brand's voice and your audience. Ask yourself if it's memorable, easy to say, and aligned with your message. If you need to refine, just ask Grok to rewrite, shorten, or change the tone. You can say, make it more energetic, try a luxury tone, use fewer than 6 words, or avoid puns. You can also request multiple variations or ask it to highlight a specific value, like sustainability or speed. Keep iterating until one line stands out and feels right for your use case. Website headers, ads, packaging, or social media. That's how you can quickly create a slogan using Grok AI. Thanks for watching.